The great thing about our PowerSTAR Hypoid line is the product's versatility. Our engineering team has worked on solutions for conveyors, gate operators, coffee grinders, specialty machine tool equipment, and many more. Where previously we had to direct our customers to a customized design, the PowerSTAR meets and exceeds expectations with its standard product line. PowerSTAR is a series of hypoid gear motors, meaning the geometry of the gear is designed for more sophisticated gear teeth contact than traditional worm gears also used in right-angle gear motors. The angular contact of the gear teeth follows a hunting tooth design and provides more efficient power transmission within the gearbox, losing significantly less energy to heat and allowing for the PowerSTAR to thrive in the same applications where larger, more costly worm gear motors would be required. The PowerSTAR product line features advanced hypoid gearing technology for improved energy efficiency, maximum power density, power ratings from 1/30th to 1/2 horsepower, AC motor options including 115-volt single phase, 115 230-volt dual voltage dual frequency single phase, 230-volt three-phase inverter duty, and 230, 400, 460-volt three-phase inverter duty. PMDC motor options including 12, 24, 90, 130, and 180 volts. Brushless DC motor options for 720 and 725 series newly available. The PowerSTAR product line has already found success in numerous industries and applications, including light industrial conveyors, food and beverage equipment, gate operators, and many more. For more information on the PowerSTAR right-angle hypoid gear motors, please contact Bison Gear and Engineering at 1-800-BISON or check out www.bisongear.com for performance ratings, drawings, 3D CAD models, price, and availability. Stay tuned for exciting innovations coming soon from Bison, where we make your products go.